Good morning, children. Today, as I had told you earlier, we have a test. Can you hear me clearly? And can you see the paper? Is it clear? Okay. Children, please write your name because it's your parents' mobile and their name is coming. So each and every time you answer or reply, give me your name. You're ready with your copies? Okay. Write class test and then today's date. You will write this, but before that, how you will reply me is you will use your comment box to reply. Is it okay? Okay, Ayush. Please be ready with your copies. Children, you will reply through your comment box like we always do. Okay. Can I start the test, please? Then we'll go on to the next chapter also. The first one is a scrambled word. It's written over here. I hope you all can see. You can see the spellings. Now tell me the number one. This is number one. Msteys. Tell me the correct spelling. Msteys. It is unscramble the jumble words. Reply me through the comment box, please. Very good, Rajnandini. Msteys. Good afternoon. Once again, good afternoon, everybody. Very good. Second, SMRA. Second, SMRA. No. Rubber. That's the wrong answer. Very good, Rajnandini. Very good. Devjit, very good. Yes. Very good. Third, OMTECS. OMTECS. Very good. After replying over here, you all will all write it in the copy and you all will send it to me. OMTECS. Fast. Very good. Devyansh, but you have missed one letter. Tanmay, it is not that. After that is the fourth one which you have answered. Very good. Devyansh, you have missed out the S. Don't miss out any letters, children. Very good. Then is AOCST. AOCST. Devyansh, wrong spelling. Again you missed out. Fourth one. AO. Very good. Anamika Datta. May I know your good name, please? You have missed out the S. Don't miss out any letter, children. Then is GEAYOV. 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 Who can answer this? Very good, Devyansh. Okay. Very good, Shankadeep. Very good. Okay. Now we will do one answer. Aarti Singh. May I know your name, please? It's the wrong spelling. U is not there. Geayov. Yes, correct. Now it's correct. Okay, one word answer. Place where land and sea meet. Place where land and sea meet. No, Devjit. It is bit confusing. No. Think. Place where land and sea meets. Divyansh, constellation is very much later. No, Rajnandini, it's not horizon. Shankodip, it is not horizon. Wrong. Yes, Rabba. Correct. Very good. Second. No, Joydeep, it's not horizon. Listen carefully. Land and sea meet. Horizon is something different. Devansh, go accordingly. Yes, Rajnandini, you're right now. Okay. Second is heavenly body moving around the sun. Heavenly body moving around the sun. Devjit, why have you written however? Yes, it's planets. Very good. Next, sun, moon, stars, and planets are sun, moon, stars, planets are the third answer should be sun, moon, star, planets are Very good, Shankadeep. Heavenly bodies. Yes. No, Devyansh. You're going fast. This is the answer of number 4. Yes. The sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, asteroid and comets form. Very good, Devyansh. The sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, asteroid and comets form solar system. Very good, Shankadeep. Next, neither too hot nor cold. What is it? Neither too hot nor cold. What is it? No, Devjit, number 2 will be something else. It is right. Hmm. It won't be Earth, this planet. No. Neither too hot nor too cold is moderate. What is it? Moderate. Okay, next is universe was born after the explosion called. Universe was born after the explosion called. Universe was born after the explosion called. Very good, Devyansh. Then the last, the seventh one word answer is moderate. It is not moderate, it is moderate. Rajanandini, it is moderate. A group of stars is called? A group of stars is called? No. A group of stars is called? A group of stars is called? Constellation. Okay, children? Now, children, you will write all these in your copy. Wherever I have said it's wrong, you put a cross sign and you will send it to me. And then you will do the correction. Okay? In your copy, in your social science copy. It is the practical copy you all will be having. One side is plain and the other side is ruled, means you have line. On the plain side, you will draw the solar system. You will draw the diagram of a solar system where you will color it and also you will name it. Okay. Spelling wrong, Joydeep. Constellation. Once again, I will show you. We have 5 scrambled words, unscrambled words, and 7 one word answer. Today again we will learn a new chapter, but we will just go through it. What is our universe? Okay. So pay attention and do, if there is any questions, you all will ask me afterwards. Okay. So what is the chapter's name? Knowing the earth. Knowing the earth means what do we know about the earth? Now what are we going to learn in this? We will learn a globe. What is a globe? What are oceans? What are continents? What are subcontinents? And we will learn about the oceans, globe and continents, the 4 main directions and the sub-directions. Okay. Now children, what is the globe? We have learned in our earlier 2 chapters, that is, it is a model of the earth. We cannot carry it everywhere. It is just a model and it is not easy to carry because it is like a round ball. Okay. When it rotates, we know that there are 2 ways it rotates. Right. And there are 2 points. One is the North Pole and the South Pole. Suppose I take this pen. The ball is over here. If the ball is over here and if it rotates like this. So this is the axle This is the north point and this is the south point, south pole. Okay, and in between is the earth. So it rotates like this. So with this, the axle, it helps the globe to rotate. Similarly, the earth also rotates through the imaginary line which is known as the axis. Okay. So this is about the globe. Globe, we cannot carry it everywhere. We can see the some part of the earth, the names of the continents, not in details. We cannot see it in the globe. It doesn't show all the places in details. Okay. Now, next is what we will learn about is maps. So there is a comparison. See over here, there is a globe. Sorry, children. See, what I was telling you was, see, this is a globe. This. And over here, these 2 points. This is the axle. Means there is a rod going in and it helps the ball to go move. So we know the earth moves like that in the similar way. And this is known as the axle. Okay. This is the north pole. This is the south pole. But when the earth rotates, it has got the imaginary line. You will learn it later on. It is known as the axis. It is an imaginary line. Okay, so over here, when we are seeing the globe over here, we can only see Africa. Here we are seeing India. But at the back of the globe, we cannot see. So it is not convenient. This is the disadvantage. We cannot see the whole of the earth at the same time. We can see some places of the globe. Whereas in the map, it is easy to see the places very clearly. Okay. You must have seen, many of you may have a map of India map or a world map. You can hang it on the wall. So there are different types. It is called the wall maps. Okay. Now group a book of maps where you have got variety of maps. Like you will have maps for the weather, for a place. It's like a plan. And like I will show you one over here I have. So that is also a map. It tells us about the place. If I have it in the diary. Sorry children, I don't have that map. I will show it to you in the next class. The atlas is, it tells us about the weather. Everything is there. Physical map is there. So a variety of maps together, various kinds of maps together, it forms a book. It is in a form of a book. That book is known as atlas. What is that book known as? Atlas. Okay. Now is the oceans and the continents. I am not reading the chapter. I am just telling you the gist. What does the chapter has? Tomorrow we will read and again I will explain it to you. Sorry children. Oceans. Oceans is what? Very large water bodies are known as oceans. Means ocean is very big. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with ocean. See over here. I'll show you the globe. See, this full portion is ocean. This full portion. 1/4 is land and 3/4 is water. So very large portion of water bodies. Water bodies means everything like rivers, lakes, ponds. These are known as water bodies. Anything related to the water is called water bodies. are oceans. And we have 5 oceans. How many oceans? 5. And what are they? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Antarctic Ocean, which is known as the Southern Ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Okay, now we will go to the continents. The continents are the land. Very big land masses are known as continents. The similar way, see in this map. It is not very clear. Okay. See, this portion is the ocean. This portion is the ocean. These portions are the ocean. And these over here, these are the continents. Can you give me 2 minutes? I will then open a file and I'll show you. Just a minute. We have 7 continents and Asia is one of the largest continents and India is in Asia. So India is an Asiatic country. No, wait, children. Just a minute, children. Please give me 2 minutes. Here we have. Now see over here. Anyways, children, I'll just show you. Here. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. This is the Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean, and this is the Arctic Ocean. Okay, and the 7 continents: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia and Antarctica. Once again, I'll say America, South America, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Asia, and Australia. Okay. Now let's go back to our chapter. Okay. So continents. So what are continents? Continents are huge land masses of land, which is known as continents. And we have 7 continents. Continents are further divided into countries. Continents are further divided into countries. Like Asia is a continent and it is divided into countries. One of the country is India. Okay, then there is Russia, China, Tibet, Burma, Bangladesh. These are all countries and they are neighboring countries also. Now directions. What are the four main directions? The four main directions are north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. We know about the four main directions. Now in this chapter we will learn about the sub-directions. What are sub-directions? In between north and east, that portion is known as the northeast. Over here, you see this diagram over here. See. North and east. In between is northeast. From here to here, whichever portion, whichever place is over here. So we can mention it is on the northeast of so and so. Okay. From here to here, we will call it northwest. From north to west, in between this portion is northwest. Again, similarly, southwest. From here, south and here is west. In between this portion is called the southwest. And this is the southeast. South and east. This portion in between is called the southeast. Now say with me, along with me children, the main four directions are north, south, east and west. Once again, north, south, east and west. And the sub-directions are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Once again, repeat with me. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Okay. So today we have it till here. If you have any questions, please ask me. If there is any questions, please ask me. Shankudeep, you have written 4 oceans. No, it is 5 oceans. Anamika, your sound and picture is clear. Check with your internet, please. Children, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Did you all understand? Everything is clear? Tomorrow we will learn this chapter. Okay? Today I told you about the gist of the chapter. What all we are going to learn. Tomorrow we will do it. We will read and then I will again explain you. Is it okay? So thank you so much children. Please be present tomorrow. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you children.